हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल कंपटीशन बेल। आज हमारे साथ हैं सुब्रता बिहारी सर, जो कि आईआईटी हैदराबाद से हैं। जो आज हमें आईआईटी हैदराबाद के बारे में सब चीज बताएंगे, लाइक वहाँ के प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे हैं, वहाँ की लाइफ स्टाइल कैसी है, और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हमें बताएंगे। वेलकम सर।
So thank you, Vivek, for your invitation in your channel. It's pleasure to have a chat with you and your subscribers.
सर, हम आपका ज्यादा टाइम न लेते हुए अपने क्वेश्चंस की ओर आगे बढ़ते हैं। सर, आपने आईआईटी हैदराबाद में ऐसा क्या देखा जो आपने अदर आईआईटीज के कंपैरिजन में आईआईटी हैदराबाद को चूज किया?
Actually, it depends on according to your JAM result. If your JAM result in between 200 and 300, so you will get new IITs like IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Mandi, and those IITs. So for according to my rank, so there is another option like IIT Bhubaneswar and also IIT Gandhinagar. But I have chosen IIT Hyderabad. So because of the fact that IIT Hyderabad is is growing in a very beautiful way, and it has also good international collaboration like with Japan for PhD. So basically, I had interested on doing PhD from outside, so that's why I have chosen IIT Hyderabad. And among all of the new IITs, it is really a good IITs. What I think.
ओके सर। जैसे कि सर, आईआईटी हैदराबाद के फैकल्टीज कैसी हैं, हॉस्टल्स कैसे हैं, वहाँ के क्लासरूम्स कैसे हैं और मेस कैसी है सर वहाँ की?
Actually, 2 years I have already completed in IIT Hyderabad. So hostel facility are really outstanding. There is 10 hostels, so where both students can reside as well as also staffs member. So beside the specific name has been allotted to the specific hostels in like Boromir, Rajabhat, and like that. Besides of that, in classrooms are really good. So there you will get good facility, Wi-Fi facility which is required using laptop for presentation like that. And also there is also you will get cool atmosphere because there is a technique they use generally in the hostels as well as in the classroom. There is cooling system that is kind of Japanese technology I have heard. So that will keep the atmosphere cool. So apart from your central AC like that, yeah, and faculties are really very good. There is becoming on being a new IIT. So there is 15 faculty, and faculties are really very good, very helpful. They teach us very well, and they inspire the students really very much. And in physics, especially in physical, there are good research also going on solar cell battery supercapacitor. And besides organic faculties are really good, and there is some distinguished organic faculties which who are people popular in India also. And in inorganic there is also good faculty who are from abroad, so having their PhD. So they had so IIT Hyderabad has good collaboration with foreign countries for doing PhD like Germany as well as Japan, and those countries.
जी सर, जैसे कि आपने फैकल्टी की हेल्पिंग नेचर की बात कही, क्या सर जैसे कि फैकल्टी हेल्पफुल होती है, वहाँ के सीनियर्स भी ऐसे ही हेल्पफुल नेचर के होते हैं?
Yes. So if you see IIT Hyderabad, so it has been started its journey from 2008, most probably. So from 2008 or maybe 2010. So from there, so there is 10 batches has already passed out from IIT Hyderabad. They have got different faculty position and also PhD position in outside our country. So for that one, the support from their supervisor or the professors is really appreciable because they generally give good recommendation as well as they help the students how to crack different kinds of exam like GRE and TOEFL. So they will support in these aspects to get PhD admission in outside. Also, they will help maybe via their collaboration. I have known that one of my senior has gone to for PhD in Germany, Ruhr University. So she has good academic credentials also. Apart from that, she has good recommendation from our faculty side. So she is now doing PhD in Ruhr University of Bochum, which is a popular university in Germany. And that's all. And many students are also going to Japan so by their MSc supervisor, because 1 year you will do MSc in IIT Hyderabad and not IIT Hyderabad, in any institute in IIT. So that time, so you should have good collaboration with your guide. Accordingly, the collaboration of your guide towards outside of country, like in Japan and Germany.
सो सर जैसे कि हर आईआईटीज के अपने अपने इवेंट्स होते हैं, तो आईआईटी हैदराबाद में ऐसे कौन कौन से इवेंट्स होते हैं और वहाँ के स्टूडेंट की लाइफ स्टाइल सर कैसी होती है?
So actually, IIT Hyderabad lifestyle is really enjoyable. So I have spent 2 years. So totally 4 semester. In each semester, you will get entertaining programs like DJ night, ice cream night, as well as there some new film industry will come with their popular names like. Just this year, Darson Rawal came in our ITH for freshers program, so we enjoyed it much. Besides of that, you will get some educational kind of program like JICA. So the JICA is a kind of scholarship for there. There is generally held in each year a program in collaboration with Japan and India for doing PhD in outside in Japan especially. So that is really a good event. Besides of that, you will get different kinds of international collaborative program. So in collaboration with Japan as well as outside also, like Germany. So besides of that, you will get a common program like drawing competition, singing, those things, and that's all.
सर जैसे कि इतने अच्छे अच्छे वहाँ प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, क्या गेम्स में भी बहुत अच्छा अच्छा चलता है? इंडोर आउटडोर गेम्स वहाँ कैसे
Yes,
होते हैं सर?
it's indoor. Yes, there is an inter IT program like for where they will perform about football, volleyball, and those things. There is also cricket is also familiar. There is a big ground, big playground at the center of our IIT. So it is a big area, and besides of that, you will also get there is a good running competition on specific occasion like 15 August, 26th January, and those some in nationally popular days, and that's all. Um,
जैसे कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट होते हैं, कैंडिडेट होते हैं जो आईटी में एडमिशन लेते हैं, उनका एक सपना होता है कि जब मैं आईटी से निकलूंगा तो एक बहुत अच्छी जॉब लेकर के निकलूंगा। तो सर
yes,
आईटी हैदराबाद के प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे होते हैं सर?
IIT Hyderabad has, as I have already told, good collaboration, especially on Japan. So you will get different companies for your placement in Japan, and also you will get placement in India also, different kinds of drug companies, because in IIT Hyderabad, so it is in Telangana, and there adjacent to Hyderabad, there is so many drugs companies, so you will get facility to get a placement in drug companies, as well as you will get in Baiju. Many two or three of my classmates this year has got chance to be placed in Baiju, and also you'll get in Akash, and also you'll get in some engineering colleges also to teach the students for JEE Main, JEE Advanced. So placement is also good in IIT Hyderabad to carry out your future endeavor.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। अगर आप अपनी तरफ से जो आईटी हैदराबाद में एडमिशन लेने वाले हैं उनको कुछ अपनी तरफ से कुछ बातें उनके लिए शेयर करना चाहें तो प्लीज सर शेयर
Yes,
करें।
yes, yes. So, so first I will tell that try to do a good result or good rank as well in GEM. So, to if you want to get new IIT or your wish to get new IITs according to your rank or according to your personal wish, then I should suggest you should do uh, a try for IIT Hyderabad, because it is the, according to me and according to also NIRF ranking, because in this year IIT Hyderabad has ranked 8 in the India overall NIRF ranking. So if you go for IIT Hyderabad, so you should have good opportunity to go outside for PhD position. So if you want to do your career, carry out your future in academic line, because there is good cooperation with specifically in Japan, besides of Germany also. Apart from that, it has good placements offers, and because there are many kinds of institute like Baiju, Jakas will come to take interview from the student. So many of the students will be generally got selected in the interviews, and also the IIT Hyderabad is the according to me, and also it is ever growing IIT among all new IITs. So I will suggest, if you have chance to get new IITs, so you should obviously go for IIT Hyderabad. That's from my side, and you will do a good result as well as good future also there. I Because I am from IIT Hyderabad, so I can think of that one till now.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, आपने अपना इतना कीमती समय हमारे चैनल कंपटीशन वेल को दिया।
So
थैंक यू सर।
thank you, Vivek. Thank you.